Curious about transforming your face naturally? Dive into the world of mewing, a revolutionary technique reshaping jawlines and facial features. Discover jaw-dropping transformations and learn how simple changes can redefine your appearance. Get ready to unlock the secrets of facial enhancement in just minutes. Welcome to the world of mewing. This technique is all about using your tongue in a special way to reshape your face. Imagine your tongue as a superhero. Its mission is to stay up against the roof of your mouth, kind of like how a secret agent stays hidden. This proper tongue posture is what mewing's all about. By doing this regularly, you can gradually change the structure of your face over time. It's like giving your face a makeover from the inside. Transformation 1 to 1 year. Let's dive into the first transformation after 1 year of consistent mewing. At the beginning, there might have been a bit of a double chin, but after a year, things have changed. The double chin is much smaller and the jawline looks sharper and more defined. It's like going from a regular person to a superhero with a strong jaw. Transformation 2 to 2 years. Now let's take a look at what 2 years of mewing can do. This 22-year-old person has achieved some amazing results. Their jawline is super impressive, giving them that cool hunter eye look. Their cheeks even appear hollow in a good way, adding to the overall sharpness of their face. Plus, their jaw has widened from all that hard chewing, making everything look even more symmetrical and attractive. Transformation 3 to 4 years. After 4 years of dedicated mewing, the changes become even more noticeable. The middle part of the face is shorter and projects forward, which is a sign of a strong jaw and improved posture. The jawline and chin have moved forward, creating a more balanced and defined facial structure. Even with lower image quality, these changes are evident and impressive, showcasing the power of consistent mewing over time. Transformation 4 to 2 years. Taking a closer look at the fourth transformation after 2 years of mewing reveals some remarkable changes. The jawline is much more pronounced and defined, creating a sharp and attractive profile. There's also a noticeable reduction in cheek fullness, giving the face a more sculpted appearance. The area under the chin is tighter, contributing to a more youthful and slim look. Additionally, the cheekbones are more prominent and the gonal angle, jaw angle, has improved, adding to the overall aesthetics of the face. Transformation 5 to 1 year. Finally, let's explore the transformation after just 1 year of mewing. The changes are quite impressive for such a relatively short time. The jawline and chin are more defined, giving the face a stronger and more structured look. There's a visible reduction in the soft tissue under the chin, which contributes to a sleeker profile. The cheekbones and mid-face also appear more pronounced, adding a touch of elegance to the overall facial appearance. These changes highlight the effectiveness of consistent mewing in enhancing facial features and achieving a more balanced and attractive look. Now that you've seen these incredible transformations, you might be wondering how to boost your own mewing results. Well, we've got a little secret for you: Jawlize Chewing Tabs. These tabs are designed to complement your mewing journey by providing additional support to your jaw muscles. By using them regularly, you can enhance the effects of mewing and achieve even better results. And guess what? We've got a special treat for you, an affiliate code linked in the description that gives you a fantastic 20% discount on Jawlize Chewing Tabs. So if you're serious about maximizing your mewing gains, don't miss out on this opportunity. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey through the world of mewing. We hope these incredible transformations have inspired you and shown you the power of consistency and dedication. Remember, mewing is not a quick fix, but a gradual process that requires patience and commitment. If you're ready to embark on your own mewing journey or continue refining your techniques, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more informative and inspiring content. Whether you're just starting or already on your way, we're here to support you every step of the way. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and tips on achieving your best facial features through mewing.